You're spending thousands on meta ads to acquire customers in Europe, across APAC and LATAM. They opt in. You send them an email and crickets. SMS doesn't ever reach them, but guess what does? WhatsApp. And Klaviyo just launched a full WhatsApp integration. This isn't just another channel, it's a complete unlock for global retention. With that being said, I'm gonna break down exactly how this works and how you can take advantage of it. WhatsApp has over 2 billion users globally. In markets like India, Brazil, and across Europe, WhatsApp is the inbox. It's where people text their friends, message businesses, check orders, and click links. If you're selling internationally or even planning to, you can't ignore it. Here's the reality. Your email and SMS flows don't always scale globally. Carriers block SMS. Emails get routed to junk folders. But WhatsApp, that message goes straight into your customer's home screen with media, buttons, even dynamic product links. And the cool thing, Klaviyo just made this native, meaning no more weird Zapier hacks, no Twilio backdoors. It's all native and integrated in with Klaviyo. If you're already using Klaviyo for email or SMS, this fits right in. You can easily collect WhatsApp opt-ins at checkout or pop-ups, send campaigns and automations, build logic just like you would with SMS, track opens, clicks, revenue attribution. It's literally drag, drop, and send globally. So there's already WhatsApp marketing tools out there, but here's what makes Klaviyo's version different. One, it's fully integrated in with your customer data. Your segments, flows, preferences, it's all in your customer hub. The fragmented thing about marketing right now is if you're running channels in different areas, nothing connects and ties together. And the cool thing about Klaviyo is we have one central profile for each customer in your database. This adds another opt-in and another channel. We can now get that WhatsApp opt-in for those international customers that we didn't have before. And there's no third-party workarounds. You don't need 4 tools talking to each other here. You just need one. And we have real revenue tracking. You'll know exactly what WhatsApp drove as a channel in real time. And it's priced smart. Pay for messages, not just subscribers. Now you're probably wondering right now, how do I actually build a WhatsApp list? And here's exactly how you do it. First, you're gonna wanna add a WhatsApp opt-in at checkout. Shopify easily supports this. Number 2, you're gonna wanna add post-purchase pop-ups and embed forms. Number 3, you're gonna wanna integrate with QR codes or product packaging, just like you would with SMS on direct mail or packaging or other channels. And number 4, you're gonna wanna run lead ads that offer order updates or early access via WhatsApp. What I would do right away if I were you is I would segment out all the international markets that I haven't been able to collect SMS for. And I would run a WhatsApp lead gen campaign. Essentially what I would do is I would send an email to all my international customers that are in WhatsApp markets, and I would give them a special offer for opting into WhatsApp. You're gonna wanna tell them about the new channel, why they're gonna get early access, insights, and other advantages by opting into WhatsApp. That's the easiest way to start growing your list and how we've done that, the same thing with SMS over the last 5-6 years. So SMS and WhatsApp might look similar, but they play different roles. Well, for number 1, SMS is best for the US-based urgency and transactional alerts. WhatsApp, well, is better for international, branded, and high engagement messaging. Plus, WhatsApp lets you send images, buttons, personalized content, which is next level for D2C. And here's a few of the best practices to make sure you don't screw this up. Well, for number 1, you wanna use branded names and icons. Build trust from the start. Number 2, you wanna keep messages short, visual, and actionable. Don't waste anyone's time here. And number 3, you're gonna wanna automate back in stock, cart recovery, and order update automation flows. Just like we have automation for email and SMS and push, we're now gonna have automation for WhatsApp. And keep these automation flows separate. We wanna see how much revenue is being generated from each flow in each channel. And remember, don't oversend. It's not SMS spam territory. And next, don't write like a robot. This is chat, not email. Make it transactional and make it feel like someone's sending a WhatsApp message to another person. Klaviyo's WhatsApp launch isn't just another feature drop. It's a global unlock for D2C brands. If you're trying to grow internationally or just trying to improve retention in markets where email and SMS fall flat, this is your wedge. You're gonna wanna build a list now. Use some of the best practices that we talked about. You're gonna wanna send smart messages and get ahead while everyone else's messages are getting filtered. And if this video helped you, give it a like, sub, or let me know in the comments on how you plan on using WhatsApp in the future too. And if you're watching this video and you want my help growing your brand with WhatsApp, email, SMS, and Klaviyo, then I have a special offer for you today. Every month, my team and I do a couple of free audits for people that are watching these videos and want help. There's a link below for you to book a call with one of my team members. And once you book a call, you're going to be able to start the audit process. Now, just to let you know, you need to qualify. So there's a couple questions that you need to fill out, and not everyone gets through. But I'm trusting if you're watching this video today and you operate or run a brand and you use Klaviyo, that you're most likely looking for some support here. Even if you're not using Klaviyo, if you're on another platform, part of this audit is really going to show you the opportunity and what's going on with your ESP and what are some of the best practices that you should be doing. I'm going to put a link to a video below too that you can watch. That'll give you some more information on how this audit process works. And if you think it's right, book a call, don't stop. And I look forward to auditing your brand soon. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Peace.